welcome back to Curry TV. Thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be making chicken fry, an authentic Kerala dish. Let's take a look at all the ingredients that we need. I'll be using 2 leg quarters, so that's 4 pieces. To garnish, I'll be using red dried chili and curry leaves. I'm going to be marinating with garlic ginger, which I made homemade paste, black pepper, red chili powder, garam masala, especially for chicken. I'll share that recipe with you. Stay tuned for that. Turmeric powder, salt to taste, oil for frying, and vinegar. Okay, to this big bowl, I'm going to be adding 1 full heaped spoon of ginger garlic paste, to that we'll say about 1 full spoon of black pepper, freshly ground, 1 big spoon of red chili powder, 3/4 full of garam masala, that's homemade. I'll share that recipe with you. 1/2 spoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Now I'm just eyeballing this. Please do as you desire. Your taste may be different from mine. And a bit of vinegar to just coat that so the chicken doesn't break apart. That's 2 spoonfuls. Now let's marinate. There you have it. I have marinated the chicken. I did make sashes into the chicken so that the masalas will incorporate well into that flesh and it will just absorb all that flavor in. So it is well coated. Now it's ideal to keep it aside for at least 20 minutes. If you don't have that much time, at least keep it in the fridge for 10 minutes. That would do. Let's get this on the stove and start frying. I'm using coconut oil. You can substitute with vegetable oil, that would be fine. I just ran out of my vegetable oil, so I'm just using good 4 full spoon of coconut oil. Let's coat the pan. Now you might be thinking, isn't that very little? Trust me, this is worth it. I don't want to have excess oil in my body, nor my family. Oil is heated well. I'm just going to be putting in one of the garnishing curry leaves and frying them. That way it will release its flavor into the coconut oil. Okay, that would do. Ooh, boy. Let's keep that to a side. Shake off all that excess oil. And then I'm going to be putting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red chilies. Infuse that flavor into the oil. That's all we need. That golden red color is what we're looking for. So let's get this baby in there. As you can see, it's well coated with that ginger, garlic, and the spices. This is de-skinned with bone. Let's cover and cook for 10 minutes on each sides. Look at that juicy chicken. I have this on medium heat. So another 5 minutes, it should be done. Let's cover and cook for 5 minutes. Let's check on our chicken. Don't worry, this is not burned. It's just the spices. Look at that. It's peeling right off. It's that ginger. It's a smoky flavor that's adding onto that chicken. So there you have it. Our authentic Kerala spicy chicken fry is ready. This is a great starter. Do give it a try. Let us know in the comments below. Once you fry up this chicken, you need to let it sit for maybe 5 to 10 minutes before you dig into it. Trust me, it's worth that wait. I'm not going to dig into it right now. Though it's very tempting, I will have to hold on to that. But just give it a try. Let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for tuning in to Curry TV. I'll see you next time.